Let's go!
I solved the problem as promised and created a tripod for poor. As I started, I never thought this project will get so massive. The dam were only planned to be about 1.5 meters in height. But as more I dug, the more I saw the whole project. And even though I knew how much time and energy it would take, I couldn't deny that when it's built, it would last. Definitely longer than I will. And potentially, with a little of maintenance, it might last longer than humanity itself. So if I die, unmarried and child free, there's always will be something, a mark, on the world, left by Valentine. So even though I can't imagine how much more tons of soil I would have to remove, unless I die, I'm finishing this project. Hope you enjoyed this part. The next one coming soon. Subscribe to be in tune with the project. Там біля тополі калина росте, мамині очі чекають тебе, сива у розпачі плаче, сина все чекає, та в Бога вже його душа.